So the question is, use division algorithm to show that square. In the question you have to do square of any positive integer is of the form 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4. So we have to use Euclid algorithm and you have to square it so that it should be in the form of 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4. So first, how to start? Let a and b are any positive integers. By Euclid division lemma, we know that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2. Why we are taking r is equal to 0, 1, 2? In the question we have to prove 3p. So if it is 3, you have to take r value less than 3, so it is 0, 1, 2. If you are getting here 4p, so you have to take r value 0, 1, 2, 3. So how to start? First write case 1. In the case 1, what you have to do, you have to take r is equal to 0. We know that Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, where your b is equal to 3 and your r is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3q plus 0. So 3q plus 0 is 3q. So a is equal to 3q. Now in the question it is saying you square, right? So that's why you have to do squaring on both sides. So it is a square is equal to 3q whole square. Now a square is equal to 3q whole square, right? So you have to give 3 square and q square. I am separating the squares. So your a square is equal to, now you have to prove what 3p you have to prove. So what I am doing is, from this 2 I am taking 3 common. Whatever I am getting inside this bracket will become my p. So here I am having 2 3's, right? 3 power 2 matlab you are having 3 power 2 is equal to 3 into 3. So you are having 2 3's. You are taking 1 3 common. So you are left with only 1 3 and this q square is as it is. So I can write this term as 3q square as p. So it is in the form of a square is equal to 3p. So we have proved this. Now you have to go for 3p plus 1. For that, what I'll do, I'll go with case 2. So now in case 2, what I'll do, I'll take r is equal to 1. Formula is same. Euclid division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. Now your b is equal to 3 and your r is equal to 1. So now a is equal to, in the place of b I have to write 3, then q is as it is plus r 1. Now in the question it is a square, that's why again you have to do squaring on both sides. Now a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to remember this formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now you have to compare this with 3q plus 1 whole square. If you are comparing this with this, you will get a is equal to 3q and your b is equal to 1. So now I will substitute in the place of a 3q, in the place of b I will write 1. So see, like this, in the place here you are having a, here you are having 3q. This means your a value is 3q. Here you are having b, here you are having 1. So this means your b value is equal to 1. So now when you are substituting a equal to 3q and b equal to 1 in this formula, what you will get? Now a square is equal to is 3q square plus 2. In place of a I'll write 3q, in place of b I'll write 1 plus b square means 1 square. Okay, now I am separating the squares. Here it is whole square. This means you have to give square to 3 and q. So it is 3 square q square plus everything you have to write as it is. 2 3q into 1 plus 1 square. Now what I will do is, from this I will take 3 common. your 1 square is equal to 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Now you got this 1, right? Plus 1 you got. What you want now? You want 3p. So what I will do is, in this term I will take 3 common. When I am taking 3 common, here you are having 3 power 2, matlab here you are having 2 3's. You are taking 1 common, so you are left with only 1 3. Then q square as it is, then this plus as it is, then this 2 as it is. I am taking this 3 common, so I am left with q multiplied with 1. So I will write q multiplied with 1. Then this plus 1 square is 1. So now 3q square plus 2 into q 2q into 1 is 2q plus 1. So this part I'll consider it as p. P is equal to 3q square plus 2q. So I can write 3p plus 1. Now I have to prove it is equal to 3p plus 1. I got it also, right? So now we need to prove 3p plus 4. For that, what you need to do is you have to go for case 3. In the case 3, what you have to take, r is equal to 2. Now same formula, a is equal to bq plus r. In the place of b I have to write 3, in the place of r I have to write 2. So it is a is equal to 3q plus 2. Again, in the question it is saying squares are squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you have to compare this with a plus b whole square. So if you are comparing this with a plus b whole square, you will get a is equal to 3q and b is equal to 2. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Most of the students, what they will do is, if it is 3q plus 2 whole square, you will write 3q square plus 2 square. But this is wrong. You have to compare this with this formula, a plus b whole square, and you have to use this formula. You should not use this. Now this a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So the answer is, the formula is a square. So first I have to write a square. Matlab in the place of a I have to write 3q. So it is 3q square. Okay, 3q square plus, then I am having 2 in the formula, I'll write 2. Then I am having a, my a is equal to 3q, so I'll write 3q. Then I'm having b, in the place of b I have to write 2, so I'll write 2. Then again plus is there, I'll write plus. Then b square, in the place of b I have to write 2, so what I'll do, I'll write 2 then square. Now you have to separate the squares. Now it is 3q whole square. So now you can give 3 square and q square. In the previous one it is 3q plus 2 whole square. In this you cannot separate like 3q square plus 2 square. If it is only 3q square, then you can do it like this, 3 square and q square plus. Again same I am writing, I'm not doing anything. Now 2 square is how much? 4. You got this plus 4. Now you have to make this in the form of 3p. So what I'll do is, I'll take 3 common. Here you are having 2 3's. 3 square matlab it is 3 multiplied by 3. We are having 2 3's. You are taking 1 3 common. So you're left with 1 3. Then q square is as it is. Plus is as it is. 2 is as it is. I am taking this 3 common, right? So I'm left with only q, only 2. I need this plus 4, that's why I'm writing as it is. So what I will consider this part as p. So now my p will be equal to 3q square plus 2 2's are 4, 4 into q, 4q. So I'll write 3p plus 4. A square is equal to 3p plus 4. Now you got 3p, 3p plus 1 and 3p plus 4. This you need to prove.